Hey there, did you know that over 10,000 listings disappear from Facebook Marketplace every single day? Crazy, right? If you found yourself confused or frustrated by this, trust me, you're not alone. Let's dive in and uncover what's happening. So, let's talk about this annoying issue of disappearing listings on Facebook Marketplace. It's super frustrating when you're trying to buy or sell something, and poof, your listing is just gone. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just trying to snag a good deal, this glitch can really mess with your experience. Alright, so what's up with these disappearing listings? Well, this glitch seems to pop up now and then, and it's causing quite the stir among users. Imagine you've just posted a brand new item, maybe a vintage jacket or a cool gadget, and within minutes, it's nowhere to be found. Users are left scratching their heads, wondering if they accidentally deleted it or if it's just vanished into thin air. Some even report that they can see their listings in their account but can't find them when they search Marketplace. It's a real headache, and I totally get why it's frustrating. Not to mention, potential buyers might see your listing for a hot second, then, bam! It's gone, leaving you with missed opportunities and sales. Now, let's dig a little deeper into why this glitch is occurring. There are a few potential reasons behind it. For starters, it could be technical issues on Facebook's end, maybe their servers are acting up, or there's a bug in the system. It's also possible that user errors come into play, like accidentally setting the wrong visibility options or posting in the wrong category. And let's not forget about platform updates. Facebook is constantly tweaking their marketplace to improve user experience, but sometimes these changes can lead to unexpected glitches. This issue is happening quite frequently, leaving many users wondering if their experience on Marketplace is ever going to get better. But don't worry. I've got you covered with some effective solutions to fix this disappearing listings issue. First things first, make sure you're checking your account settings. Sometimes, adjusting your privacy settings can help. Next, try clearing your app cache. This can clear up any temporary glitches. You can also log out and back in again, which surprisingly often resolves these issues. If that doesn't work, consider deleting and reinstalling the app to get a fresh start. And lastly, if all else fails, reach out to Facebook support. They might be aware of the issue and could provide a solution you haven't tried yet. Following these steps should help you regain control over your listings. So, to recap, we've talked about the frustrating issue of disappearing listings on Facebook Marketplace and discussed some of the common reasons behind it. Understanding this glitch is crucial for having a smoother experience when buying or selling. By following the tips we covered, you'll be better equipped to handle any hiccups that come your way. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you experienced disappearing listings? Share your stories in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks on all things Marketplace. Hit that subscribe button, and let's keep navigating this crazy world of online selling together.